Audi is promoting its most current Grandsphere idea vehicle as a personal luxury plane for the street. While the vehicle can't fly, the German automaker said it planned the electric vehicle in view of such extravagant private travel. In particular, the inside of the vehicle is intended to have the option to change into a 5-star relax when the vehicle is in self-driving mode, including a controlling segment that hides away for additional space for the driver and front traveler. The idea vehicle addresses what the Volkswagen possessed brand accepts it could accomplish, as it turns to electric and independent vehicles, as indicated by organization authorities. Audi plans to solely offer EVs by 2033 after the remainder of its new vehicles with an internal combustion motor is presented in 2026. It is the fate of Audi, Hildegard Wertmann, top of Audi's deals and advertising, expressed Thursday during the vehicle's internet uncovering. We are at the beginning of another time of versatility. All things considered, no vehicle being sold today is self-driving. All Ed and Flow driver help frameworks actually expect drivers to focus. However, the Audi idea is intended to work independently without driver oversight. The Grandsphere is the second of 3 such idea vehicles. The first, called Skysphere, was revealed last month as an exhibition roadster that mixed Batmobile-like innovations with forceful plan and extravagance conveniences. While the 2 vehicles share some outside plan qualities, the Grandsphere is less evil-looking in elements of far cleaner and more sumptuous inside, which was a fundamental concentration for Audi with the vehicle. It's presently not just about driving, Henrik Wenders, head of Audi, said during the vehicle's divulging. Because of digitalization, it's about encounters, individual, vivid and altogether human-driven. Possibly the most amazing thing about the vehicle is that there are no undeniable screens in the launch while in self-driving mode. All things being equal, all that would ordinarily be conveyed by means of an infotainment framework, and that's just the beginning, including films, are projected onto the vehicle's wooden instrument board under the windshield. While a portion of the vehicle's presentation included PC-produced pictures, an Audi representative said the vehicle is genuine. It will be in plain view at the Munich Engine Show 1 week from now. The expression circle in the names of the idea vehicles is intended to represent the inside space of the vehicles for drivers and travelers, as per Audi. The third idea, called the Urban Sphere, is booked to be revealed in the main portion of 2022.